How to fix setup passcode to lock this chat WhatsApp problem. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how you can fix or how you can solve the issue of adding passcode in order to lock any of the chat on your WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So click on the chat that you want to lock, tap on the profile up. When you scroll down, you will be able to see this chat lock. And if it says in order to enable this option, you need to lock your phone or create a passcode on your device, what you can do is just get back and go to the settings of your device. After going to the settings, just scroll down until you see lock screen type. After that, just tap on lock screen and tap on screen lock type and set up a new code, PIN, pattern, face, fingerprint, whatever kind of lock that is suitable for you. Just create a lock on your phone. After that, get back to WhatsApp, and when you try to enable this option, there won't be any kind of that problem. So therefore, by following this method, you can fix your problem of WhatsApp not able to lock your chat. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.